Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the secure folder to auto lock after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes, or when the phone restart on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security, and then go down and tap on secure folder. Now we need to put a pin or a fingerprint unlocked. Next, tap on auto lock secure folder, and from the list you could choose after 5 minutes, when the screen turns off, after 10 minutes, after 30 minutes, or when phone restarts. So choose one of the options, and then you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. So you can see if now I try to go back into the secure folder, it is unlocked, so I do not need to put in a PIN or password. Unless I let it leave or stay idle after the set time, the secure folder will automatically get locked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.